Welcome to iLecture Online. Our third example involves three different people. The problem reads as follows. Jack is 4 years younger than Jill, and Tom is twice as old as Jill. In 4 years, Tom will be 20 years older than Jack. How old are they now? So again, we're going to use the same technique. We're going to relate x to their ages today. So we write, let x equal, and typically we want to let x equal the age of the youngest person. Now Jack is younger than Jill, and Tom is twice as old as Jill, so it looks like Jack is definitely the youngest person. So let x equal the age of Jack. So since Jill is older than Jack, because Jack is 4 years younger than Jill, we can write that x plus 4 is equal to the age of Jill today. And finally, the third person, Tom is twice as old as Jill, and that is today. So twice that, because this is the age of Jill today, so 2 times x plus 4 is equal to the age of Tom. And again, that would be today. We want to be very specific that we say these are the ages today. In 4 years, x plus 4 will be the age of Jack. X plus 8 will be the age of Jill. And 4 more than this, which is 2 times x plus 4 equals the age of Tom. And again, this is in 4 years. We want to be very specific. Now, is there some other relationship, some other clue that they give us that can help us solve this problem? And it says that in 4 years, Tom will be 20 years older than Jack. So Tom's age will be equal to 20 years more than Jack's age. So Jack's age plus 20. Okay, Tom's age in 4 years will be this. So 2 times x plus 4 equals Jack's age plus 20, because there'll be 20 more than Jack's age will be Tom's age, and Jack's age at that point will be x plus 4. And of course, plus 20. All right, now we have an equation that we should be able to solve for x. First, let's get rid of the parentheses. And 4 plus 20 is 24. Now we move all the x's to one side, all the numbers to the other side. 2x minus x, because when we move the plus x across, it becomes a minus x. 24 minus 8 minus 4. And then if we come over here to finish the problem, on the left side we get x equals, on the right side we get 12. So what does x equal 12 represent? Well, that represents the age of Jack today. That means today Jack is 12 years old. Jill is 4 years older, that means Jill is 16, and since x is 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 is 16 times 2, that means Tom's age today is 32. In 4 years, Jack will be 16, Jill will be 20, and Tom will be 36. Now let's check to see if what we have here is indeed correct. Tom's age should be 20 more than Jack's age. So this is Jack's age, this is Tom's age, and sure enough, the difference between these two is 20, and so that means that Tom at 36 is 20 years older than Jim 4 years into the future. It looks like everything checks out, and then this is how it's done.